And we're back to learning Gimp, and this time I'm going to show you a simple text reflection effect. I haven't yet done a video about it, so here it is. It's a quick one. Let us use the type tool. I'll press Ctrl A to select it. I'll make it bigger and let me make it white. Now use the alignment tool, left click on it and I put it in center. Let me put it up a little bit, holding Control. Now you want to use this function down here to copy your layer. So this one is our text and the one above will be the reflection. Let me drag the reflection downwards, and now you want to use the flip tool. You can also press Shift F for that. You can flip it horizontally, but we want to have vertical active right here. Left click on it and we're good. Now drag it upwards again with the move tool and hold Control while you do. You want to position it like there's a seamless transition between both text layers. And now simply adjust it with the opacity right here. And now it doesn't really matter what background color you use. Let me use the bucket fill tool, make it red on the background. And you can see the color combination still works. So this is why I like to use the opacity here. Obviously you can give these two different, so the text and reflection layers, different colors if you want to. But once again, easiest is to use the opacity and you've got a working color combination. And this is how you can create this simple text reflection effect in Gimp. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.